Natural ways of hair growth. Today we will share a hair growth remedy that is proven to work. Some people grow their hair long and thick. You might need to put 2 hair ties on your hair if it gets long enough. This remedy has surprised everyone, from hairstylists to doctors. Some research suggests that if you apply this remedy before showering, your hair will grow longer in as little as 1 month. To make this remedy, we will need some coconut oil and yogurt. Finally, we'll use 2 tablespoons of coffee powder, which you may make using coffee beans. Next, add 2 tablespoons of coffee powder to a clean bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and mix the ingredients until they form a thick paste. We will add 3 tablespoons of yogurt to the mixture to become thicker. Make sure to mix it up nicely. Now let's move on to applying the mixture to your hair. You will need to take some remedies in your hands and massage them into your hair from the scalp to the ends. This mixture is a great way to repair your hair with proteins. If you will use this remedy, put a shower cap on your head to avoid making a mess. This hair growth product will make your hair long and silky. You will not need any other products once you start using this one. In as little as 1 month, you will see a difference in the length of your hair. After leaving the mask on for 1 hour, you can wash it out with gentle shampoo. You can use this mask up to 3 times weekly for the best results. This natural remedy might work for you if you want to boost your hair growth. Thank you for watching.